We can make ribbing or outline cables starting with plain old knitting. We then drop selected stitches and ladder them all the way down. The column that I'm working now came from this needle. We laddered it down to an eyelet that I made in the knitting, or it might be to the cast on, and now I'm latching it back up. Usually we hang our final reformed stitch on the original needle, and generally a bind off takes place after that. I'm starting out by reaching around the bar right below the first rung of the ladder. One might also begin by going down to the bind off and putting your tool into the very first true stitch. After that, we pull one rung through the next all the way up the ladder. The reformed stitches face the opposite way from those made by the knitting bed, thus they are purls.